Welcome back, everyone. Today we have the Dell UltraSharp 27-inch 4K monitor that I will be unboxing today. The model number is U2720Q. It has 3 inputs. It has the USB-C port, HDMI port, which is 2.0, and the display port, which is 1.4. And it's going to be a much needed upgrade for my 10-year-old HD monitor of 22 inches. So yeah, it was time for an upgrade. And let's get this thing turned around and unboxed. Okay, so we have the color calibration factory port here with some RGB and grayscale tracking gamma levels here as well. Comes with instructions for setting this up and attaching it to the stand. In the center here we have the stand itself. We have looks like the display port to display port cable. We have a power cable, and we have a USB-C cables here. We got we got a USB-C to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-A cables. Safety and regulation information. So we got, okay, that looks to be what's on top here. What's going to be underneath would be the monitor. So let me get all of this out of the box. That's on top, and then we'll come back to the monitor. Alright, so here's the stand, getting this piece out with everything else. So now we get to the monitor. Alright. Oh, they even have instructions on the outer sleeve here for how to put it together. Okay, let's take this out here. And then anything else in the box? Yes. You have the back plate, and then nothing else is in the box. So let's get the box out of here. Okay. Take this out. All right. Plate here, screw. Okay. Then we have the back piece here. So this must go right here. Simply screw this in. And probably best to have, there we go. No tools even needed. Pop it back in. Alright, so now this is good to go. Alright. Oh, okay. actually say you could have left it in the box, but oh well, it's already out of the box. Okay. So we do the top first, slide in like so, press down, and you hear the click. So it is, that looks pretty sturdy, so let's stand this guy up. Okay, carefully. Okay. All right. All right, so let's get this protective cover off here. All right, so here we have the monitor. Yeah, you got some glare because of the overhead lights there, but yeah, so this is pretty nice. It's fairly thin on the side here. You can see the USB-C, USB-A ports on that side, none on the other side. Ports in the back. So we have HDMI, we have DisplayPort, and we have USB-C. We also have two more USB-A ports, and then we got the power connector. It says swivel really nice. You can put this from landscape to portrait mode. I just tilt it up there, and you can get it in portrait mode. And then to bring it back, tilt it. That way it doesn't, the corners don't hit the bottom. And back to landscape mode. In addition, the stand allows you to adjust the position up and down of the monitor. Here I'm playing a 4K video. The colors look vibrant, the blues and greens look great. The recording you're seeing doesn't really do it justice. It looks even better in person. Even though I'm using a 4K recording here, it's just a camera on my Pixel 3a phone. As to the technical specs of this monitor, I'll provide a link in the description below so you can check it out. Here's another video showcasing the reds and darks. The glare in the upper right is from my overhead lights, sorry about that. Any motion blur you might see is from my phone's camera. No motion blur was visible in person. As to the monitor settings, everything is using the default settings. So here we're going to look at the on-screen display menu. We have some preset modes here. Standard, comfort view, which has a less blue light emitted. That's supposed to be better for eye comfort. We have movie mode and we have a game mode. We also have a color temp, which has a red/yellow tint to it. In this menu you can select the input source, USB Type-C, DisplayPort, or HDMI. In the third menu we have brightness and contrast is the first one here. The next one here we have color, followed by display. Here you can change the response time from normal to fast. Normal is 8 milliseconds, fast is 5 milliseconds. Next is the Smart HDR setting. Let's go ahead and put this on the desktop mode and see how it looks. So on the right here we have the HDR desktop setting. On the left we have no HDR. I'll let you judge for yourself. Another setting is the USB-C prioritization. So you can switch that between high resolution or high data speed. And here you have some more settings to personalize, and such as monitor sleep and some other things which I won't get into, but yeah, so lots of options for you to customize the display here. One other thing I wanted to show is the viewing angle. If I angle the monitor up to maximum setting, the picture is clearly visible. Likewise, if I rotate the monitor to maximum angle, the picture remains perfectly visible. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos. Until next time, take care.